Good day everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about factoring polynomials with perfect square trinomial. So, ang focus lang natin dito is yung first term natin is equal to 1. Okay? So, ngayon, pag sinabing perfect square trinomial, from the word perfect square, yung first term at yung last term natin dito ay perfect square. Ano ba pagka sinabing perfect square? Example, yung 4. So, pag kinuha yung square root ng 4 is 2. Okay? Ano pa? Halimbawa, yung 9. So, square root of 9 is 3. Kasi when we have 3 times 3, that's equal to 9. So, perfect square yon. Halimbawa, 25. So, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So, perfect square yon. Kasi twice itself. No? So, 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay? So, ganun yun. Pag sinabing perfect square. So, dito, we have a square plus 2ab plus b squared equals quantity a plus b times quantity a plus b. Or, pwede nating isulat yan dahil parehas, pwede nating isulat as quantity a plus b raised to 2. Okay? So, sa pangalawa naman, we have a square minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b times a minus b. Or, quantity a minus b raised to 2. So, dito, naging minus yung operation natin dahil sa trinomial natin, yung middle term is subtraction. Okay? So, yun lang yung tatandaan nyo. Pag lahat ay plus, the operation of the product would be addition. At kapag meron naman tayong minus sign sa ating second term, so the operation of the product would be minus. Okay? So let's have an example. Example number 1, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So this is a perfect square trinomial kasi when we look at the first term, we have 1. Okay? When we look at the last term, 9. So, 9 is a perfect square. So, therefore, it is a perfect square trinomial. Now, para ma-solve natin to, focus tayo dun sa first term and last term. So, yung first term and last term, i-rewrite lang natin sila katulad nito. X raised to 2 plus 6x plus 3 raised to 2. Kasi yung 9 is a perfect square, so ang square root ng 9 is 3. Okay? So, after that, yung a natin, yun yung first term. So, therefore, a natin equals x. And then, yung b natin, yun yung last term. So, therefore, ang b natin equals 3. Okay? So, kung i-check natin, so we have 1x times 3, that is 3x, times 2, that is equal to 6x. Nakaparehas ng middle term natin. Okay? Since the middle term of our trinomial is addition, so dapat ang operation natin is addition doon sa factored form natin. So therefore, the factored form is quantity x plus 3 times quantity x plus 3 or quantity x plus 3 raised to 2. Okay? So, isa pang paraan para mas mabilis tayo makapag-solve nito. When we have this trinomial, ang bigyan lang natin ng focus yung last term. Kasi ang a naman natin is equal to 1 eh. Okay? So, alam na natin kapag ang middle term ay addition, dapat the operation of the product would be addition. Okay? So, ang problema na lang natin dito is the second term. So, ayun nga, kuhanin natin yung square root ng 9 and that is equal to 3. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung magiging second term natin. And for the final answer, we have quantity x plus 3 raised to 2. Okay? So, let's have example number 2. Example number 2, we have x squared minus 8x plus 16. So, again, ang first term natin is equal to 1. Okay? So, rewrite lang natin ulit. Focusan natin yung x squared sa first term. That becomes x raised to 2. And then yung last term natin na 16, square root of 16 is 4. Okay? Kaya meron tayong 4 raised to 2. So that means, ang A natin is equal to X. Ang B natin is equal to 4. Okay? So dahil ang middle term natin ay minus sign, dapat ang operation ng product natin is minus. So we have quantity x minus 4 times quantity x minus 4 or quantity x minus 4 raised to 2. Okay? So try natin yung isang paraan, no? Okay, so ang focus natin ay yung last term. So in this case, ang last term natin ay 16. So dahil ang middle term natin ay minus, expect na natin na yung product natin ay minus. Okay? So let us get the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So therefore, we have quantity x minus 4 raised to 2. So hanggang dyan lang muna yung focus natin kung saan yung first term natin is equal to 1. Kung meron kayong mga questions pa, ilagay nyo lang dyan sa ating comment section at sasagutin natin yan. Okay? So thank you so much. See you on the next video.